Arson is a serious crime that can cause extensive property damage and even result in the loss of life. In Houston, the Fire Marshal Investigation Division investigates fires and works with law enforcement to identify foul play and arsonists. Hi, my name is Peter Saidzad, and I'm one of the attorneys here at the law office of Brian Fagan. In today's video, we will discuss different aspects of arson, including its motives and criminal procedures. Arson is defined as starting a fire with the intent to destroy or damage another property. In the Penal Code, property includes any vegetation, fence, or structure on open space land, buildings, or vehicles. The first question that comes to mind after arson is suspected is, why? There are several common motives for arson. One significant motive is insurance fraud. Some homes are insured with fire insurance, meaning the insurance company covers the damages if a fire occurs. Therefore, some individuals might burn down their homes to file a claim with their insurance company and receive money for damages due to the fire. Apart from fraud, revenge and political motivation could also play a role in arson. Intoxication can also be a factor, leading to reckless arson, such as failing to properly extinguish a fire while under the influence or accidentally starting a fire by adding too much accelerant due to being intoxicated. In Texas, arson is taken seriously as it can cause harm to people and damage property. All arson cases result in a $10,000 fine, regardless of the severity of the sentence. Typically, arson is considered a second-degree felony, leading to 2 to 20 years in prison. However, there are other degrees of arson depending on the specific conditions of the case. Arson of the first degree involves starting a fire that results in bodily injury or death, carrying a penalty of 5 to 99 years in prison. Arson of the third degree occurs when a fire is started during controlled substance manufacturing, leading to 2 to 10 years in prison. Lastly, recklessly starting a fire that causes damage or injury is considered a state jail felony with a sentence of 180 days to 2 years. If you have been accused of arson, several defenses could be available. A common defense to argue is that you did not intend to commit arson. For example, if you accidentally started a fire while cooking, you should be able to argue you did not intend to set the fire. After the fire is out, police and fire investigators inspect the building to determine if foul play is involved. The fire investigators will then determine the fire's origin and cause. Once all the evidence is gathered, the fire investigators will hand over all the evidence to a prosecutor to file a prosecution against the suspect. In this situation, the defendant will be served by the city or county the fire resided in. Before deciding upon a penalty, the judge considers mitigating factors such as age and criminal record with the level of consequence. Arson is a serious crime that can result in severe penalties. If you or someone you know is facing an arson charge, don't hesitate to contact the law office of Brian Fagan for your best possible defense. Our criminal law attorneys are knowledgeable, experienced, and can guide you through the serious consequences of this crime. At the law office of Brian Fagan, we are here for you. Please let us know how we can start helping you out with all of your legal matters today.
Thank you so much for watching this video. We hope it was both helpful and informative for you. At the Law Office of Brian Fagan, we are here for you. So please let us know how we can help you with your family law, estate planning, or criminal defense matters by calling our office today at 281-310-5563 to schedule your complimentary consultation. You can find all of our social media info in the description below, and if you would like to stay updated on all of our videos, events, and promotions, be sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel by clicking the notification bell.